Hey everybody, in today's video we're going to teach you how to fall forward, right? Mai ukemi. Mai means forward and ukemi means to fall, right? So when we fall forward, we want to protect our face. Yeah, like we don't, definitely in our nose, right? We don't want to smash our nose into the ground. So we place our hands in front of our face just kind of like this, right? Kind of like palms of pocket, yeah. And at the point of impact, we don't want to strike with our elbows, right? We want to use our palms, this part of our hand right here, yeah? And we're going to use it like a stabilizer, yeah? Like a cat. And basically, we're going to start from a kneeling position, and we're going to go slow, yeah? This fall can seem very scary. And also in judo, like you're never really going to take a fall from like standing straight up and then being lateral from a standing position and like taking the fall. Usually what happens is you might be getting driven forward and you're close to the ground, and you take your fall. In most things in life, you're going to try to stop from falling with your legs before you actually impact. So this is the way the exercise looks. We start on our knees, and it's two parts. We're going to lean forward, we're going to strike the mat, and then we're going to lift up our legs. Looks like this. We'll do that a couple times. And we'll do that quite a few times in class. Yeah. But then the next progression will be from a squatting position. Yeah. So from here, it requires a little bit of explosiveness because we're going to do kind of like a little bit of a jump, and we're going to kick out our legs, and then we're going to slap the mat. It looks like this. Again. Yeah. Protecting my chest, all my legs and stuff like that. When I kick out my legs. Yeah. And then of course I got my hands here to protect my face. Yeah. The final progression is from standing. And just like I said earlier in the video, we're never going to really take a forward fall from like that height. Right? We're going to be lower to the mat. What we're going to do is we're going to squat, kick out, and we're going to strike the mat. Looks like this. All right, so that's basically how you fall forward. All right, as always, if you have any questions, you can leave a comment, or if you're part of the academy, you can reach out to me directly, either via Facebook or you can text me. All right, so thanks for watching the video, and make it a great day.